time for math. Today for math, we're going to be focusing on money, more specifically just focusing on counting dimes. So we'll review what a dime is, count from 10 to 100. I will model 2 problems on my whiteboard. Then I will go over your worksheet and we'll complete 2 problems together before you go and complete the rest on your own. So remember, a dime is worth 10 cents. So we're going to count from 10 all the way to 100, which equals $1. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, but it's $1. So now I'm going to model 2 examples on my whiteboard to determine how much each group is. So remember, we're only working with dimes and we're only going to be counting by tens today. So my first group has 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. So I can count by 10 and I can use my number line. So if I count by 10, 10, 20, 30. If I use my number line, I go into 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So it is 30 cents. That's the total amount for my group. 10, 20, 30. 30 cents. My second group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put that down a tad. I have 6 dimes. So if I count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 cents is my total. If I use my number line, I count 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60. So my total amount in this group is 60 cents. Now, materials that you are going to need to complete is you're going to find in your packet, count the money, and it has dimes on it. It's double-sided. And you're also going to need a pencil. So in your packet, you're going to find the worksheet, count the money, and it has 1 dime equals 10 cents at the top, and there's 2 sides to it. We're going to focus on working with the side that has 4 dimes in 1 box first. Okay? So this is from your packet, and you're also going to need a pencil. If you need a little bit of extra time, pause the video and then press play when you have it in front of you. And when you have your pencil out and your worksheet out, you want to make sure that you begin putting your first and last name at the top of your worksheet. What we will do together is we'll complete the first 2 problems together before you go and complete the rest on your own. So I just want to make sure that everyone is on the same side, that you see 4 dimes in the first box and then it has 3 dimes in the second box. This is the side we're going to be working with today. Okay, so let's begin solving the first problem together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 dimes, okay? So if I count by 10, it would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So a total of 40 cents. When I use my number line, I go 4 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. So the total amount is 40 cents here. And I'm going to write 40 cents in the box. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, jumping down to the second box, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 dimes in the second box. When we count by 10, 10, 20, 30. 30 cents. If I use my number line, I go over 3 slots. 1, 2, 3, and that brings me to 30 cents also. So the total amount in this group is 30 cents. And you want to make sure that you're writing the cent symbol after it, okay? 10, 20, 30 cents. So now your job is you're going to complete the next 2 problems on this side and then the 4 problems that are on the back. A suggestion would be to pause the video here so you can view the number line while you are completing the rest of the video together. So remember, we're working with dimes and counting by tens. So you can count how many dimes you have in that group and then count that many slots on our number line to help you practice counting by tens. So if you pause the video here, while you complete the rest of your worksheet, the 2 on the front and the 4 on the back. You can view and see the number line to help you. But before I send you off to complete the rest of the worksheet on your own, let's just count by tens one more time together. So remember, we're working with dimes, and a dime is worth 10 cents. So let's count by tens all the way to 100, which equals $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, which equals $1. Remember to have your parents or an adult or an older sibling send me a picture of your completed work so I can view it. And then after you're done with math and the 2 problems on the rest of this side and flipping your paper over and completing the rest of the 4 problems on the other side, it will be time for writing. So I'll see you all back in writing.